To create an invisible folder in Windows 11, follow these steps. Right-click anywhere on the computer. Move the mouse pointer to New and select Folder. Press F2 to rename the folder. Press and hold the Alt button on your keyboard and type 0160. The folder will be nameless. Right-click on the folder after renaming and select Properties. Go to the Customize tab and click on the Change icon. Choose the folder image as blank. Click OK and Apply. To make the folder visible again, follow the same steps and replace the Alt plus 0160 with the actual name you want for the folder. Keep in mind that this method only hides the folder from view and does not provide any security or protection for the contents of the folder. If someone has access to your computer, they will still be able to find and open the invisible folder. Subscribe to Smart Tech to get more updates.